guess what? We're about to have fire drill. Put Juju somewhere because we're about to have one. Guys, getting ready to have our fire drill here, probably. I don't know, but it's possible. Alright, we're about to have a fire drill, probably. I'm gonna put you right here where you were last time. And we will just, and we'll just like, prop it, and then I'm gonna call Rick with Zombie. Oh yeah, I need to get my fan out. Get ready to call Rick with Zombie so they can hear the fire alarms. Let me see. Oh, I don't have a group. I'm gonna start a new chat group. I need to hurry up. Alright, I'm about to have a fire drill. Zombie. Here in a couple of minutes. Trying to get my fan out just in case. Sorry now, I will not be able to hear you, okay? I'll film the light for you. Okay. Why didn't Rick with answering? Well, I'm gonna turn this light off. Actually, no, I want the light on, sorry. I was trying to watch I can see the light. But now this is a risky chance. I will get jumped by it. Ribbon needs to join the call or he's gonna miss the fire alarm activation. About to have fire drill here in a minute. Or actually in a few. Now I'm really close to the smoke alarm. It can't scare me. Oh boy, I'm getting scared. I might want to back up. I'm just gonna turn the light off and watch the light, and I'll tell you when it's going off. Now this is going to be really loud. If you like fire alarms, cause it's a possibility. And we had a fire drill like a couple of weeks ago. I can hear you a little bit. Now if the alarms do get set off, it's gonna jump. It's gonna make me jump. If the light indicator turns off, then I knew it. If I can't hear the fire alarm through them hearing protections. When I hear that one, it's gonna make me, and I'm gonna get scared by the smoke alarms. Alright, if I do this, I tell the alarm sound, then I'll be able to put my headphones on quick enough. Bobby? You excited for the fire alarm? Yeah. So you excited to hear them for the first time? I need to tell my sister that, actually no, she'll just have to get upset. But I'll have to make it quick as possible, because she will get mad. If the fire alarms go off, she's going to get upset. Tommy, are you excited? Yeah. Why did you get grounded earlier? Great. I'm still waiting on the smoke alarms, and I'm going to get tired of holding the cell phone, too. Still waiting. I'm still waiting on the smoke alarms sound. I got one ear out. I might be right. I don't know. Tell Ribbit to join the cars. We're about to have a fire drill. I'm gonna get tired of holding it. I'm just gonna have to get jump scared by them fire alarms. Make a grilled cheese sandwich then. Still waiting on the smoke alarms to get set off. Mommy, you ready for the fire alarm? If it, I'll tell you when it's going off. I don't know if it's going to go off or not. Fire drills on me. You excited?
Yeah.
But the alarms are going to be loud. I will show you me doing upstairs and getting the fan. It's on the stairway. What? Nothing, sorry, you're good. Still waiting on the smoke alarms to go off. I'm holding out one at the ear so I'll know. I gotta be quiet. Huh? Tell Ray to join the call now. The fire alarms are about to sound. You kidding. I actually don't know if it. I'm getting tired of holding the stupid headphones. But if they start sounding, I'm gonna have to hurry up and get that fan upstairs and turn off the smoke alarms. They may or may not sound. Why are you crying? I wasn't yelling at you earlier. I thought I was being 12, that's why. Alright. Hold on, switch ears, hold on. Getting tired of it. Are we gonna actually have a fire drill or not? No, I don't know. The light indicator is still green. Zombie, I'm getting really tired of holding the headphones. May not have a fire alarm this time. I don't really know. I'm having a fire drill! I knew it! The grocery... I gotta go get the fan now. I knew it! I told you! it. Now it's time to eat. The fire drill's over now. I don't know if you saw the light, but I did the best I could. I hope you enjoyed it and it did not scare me. I just reacted so fast.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. I'm gonna keep the door open so I have to return the fan here in a few minutes. I knew it. Gonna keep the fan here for a few minutes. See, I told you it was gonna go off.
Where did that go?
That was funny, wasn't it, Tommy? Told you, Kate, when I got it off. She's mad that the alarms went off. She's upset the alarms went off. There you go, bye.